Solar brothers and sisters, good morning to all. Today topic is extraction of crude metal. It is the continuation of metallurgy. Metallurgy nothing but the complete extraction of pure metal from its ore. First, ores is converted into partly concentrated ore by using the concentration. In that, we have to remove the gong or matrix. There are different types of concentration. First one, gravity separation, electromagnetic separation, froth flotation and chemical method. Next, partly concentrated ore converted into concentrated ore by using the leaching or any other technique. In that, separation of other minerals. Now, we are discuss about concentrated ore converted into impure metal. Further, impure metal converted into pure metal by using the electrolytic refining. Here, concentrated ore converted into impure metal by using roasting, calcination, smelting and reduction. Reduction may be called as a chemical reduction or electrochemical reduction. In that, we have to remove the other metal to obtain desired metals. Concentrated work is what explains the pure metal. This topic is known as extraction of crude metal. Extraction of crude metal can be explained by, there are two conditions. Condition number one, concentrated ore converted into oxide. Condition number two, smelting of oxide converted into molten metal like that is a crude metal. We have to discuss one by one. First one, roasting. Roasting is the method in which the conversion of sulfide ore into oxide or sulfate by using the regular supply of air or oxygen. Roasting, it is a method in which conversion of sulfide ore converted into oxide or sulfate by using the regular supply of air. For example, zinc sulfide react with oxygen in the presence of heat to formation of zinc oxide and SO2 gas. Balance equation, zinc 1, sulfur 1, but oxygen is 3, not at balance. Here we have to write the 2 times, here 2 times, here 2 times. Now oxygen is 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, so 3 times. These are the best example for roasting method. In the roasting method, it is also remove the impurities like phosphorus, sulfur, arsenic, antimony as a volatile oxide. This reacts to oxygen to formation of B4O10 as a volatile gas. Balance equation is 4 phosphorus, common oxygen 10 oxygen is 5 times. Next sulfur react with oxygen to form SO2. Next arsenic react with oxygen to form AsO3. Next antimony react with oxygen to form Sp2O3. Balance equation here is 2 times. Common oxygen 3 oxygen, here 3 times. Here 2, 6, 6, here 4. Likewise, here is a 4, so 2 times, 3 times. Roasting method also used to remove the impurities like phosphorus, sulfur, arsenic and antimony as a volatile oxide. Next method, calcination. Calcination is the method in which conversion of carbonate or hydroxide or hydrate ore converted into oxide in the presence of absence of air or limited supply of air. Carbonate or hydroxide or hydrates converted into oxides by using in the absence of or limited supply of air. Here calcination is a method in which conversion of carbonate ore or hydroxide ore or hydrate ores converted into oxide in the absence of air or limited supply of air. For example, calcium carbonate heated to form calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. That's the equation. Calcium, calcium, 1 carbon, 3 oxygen. Another one is a hydroxide. AlOH thrice. Here aluminium valence 3 is a OH. Formula for aluminium hydroxide is AlOH thrice. These are heated to formation of Al2O3 plus H2O. Balance equation. Here 1 aluminium, here 2 aluminium, 2 times. Common hydrogen, 6 hydrogen. So 3 times. Common oxygen, 6 oxygen. Here 3, here 3. Balance equation. Another one. Fe2O3 taught 3 times of water. This is a hydrate. This one further heated to formation of Fe2O3 plus 3 times of water. These are the best example for calcination process. Calcination is a method in which carbonate or hydroxide or hydrate ore converted into oxide in the absence of or limited supply of air. Next method, smelting. Smelting, another name, pyrometallurgy. Here, the process of reduction of metallic oxide with powerful reducing agent and heated to form crude metal and carbon dioxide as a gas. For example, smelting is a process of reducing metallic oxide with suitable powerful reducing agent carbon monoxide. This is heated at 400 degrees Celsius to formation of iron and carbon dioxide. This one best example for smelting process. Smelting process nothing but the process in which reducing metallic oxide with carbon monoxide act as a reducing agent at 400 degrees Celsius and form iron plus carbon dioxide. Balance equation: 2 times iron, 2, 3 times, here 3 times. How many oxygen? 3 oxygen, here 3 oxygen. 3 into 2 is 6. During the roasting or calcination, which containing the non-fusible impurities like silica, silicate, metallic oxide, that can be removed by using the additional substance, this name is called flux. During the smelting, flux react with the non-fusible impurities, that is gangue, and form the slag. These are the smelting process. During the calcination or roasting, which containing the non-fusible impurities like silica, silicates and metallic oxide, that can be removed by using the additional substance, that name is called flux. During the smelting, flux react with the gangue, that is non-fusible impurity, and form the slag. For example, flux, that is FeO react with SiO2 to formation of FeSiO3, or calcium oxide react with SiO2 to formation of calcium silicate. These are the best example for slag. Is a iron silicate, another one is a calcium silicates. During the smelting, the additional substance added to the ores that can be removed. This name is called flux. There are 2 types of flux. First one, acetic flux. Another one, basic flux. First, discuss about acetic flux. Acetic flux are SiO2 and borax. Formula: Na2B4O7 10 times of water. These are best example for acetic flux. Acetic flux added to the basic impurity and form the slag. For example, extraction of copper. Extraction of copper, major ore, copper pyrite. The roasted ore is mixed with powder coke and SiO2 as a sand. This acts as a flux. That is a acetic flux. This flux react with the basic impurity and form the slag. That is a acetic flux. Acetic flux best example SiO2. Basic impurity may be called calcium oxide or iron oxide, FeO, and formation of FeSiO3. Acetic flux best example silica or sand or silicon dioxide or borax. This added to the basic impurities like FeO or CaO and form the iron silicate. Iron silicate, another name is called as a slag. This type of question may be asked in 1 mark, both theory and need. Here, what is the example for acetic flux? SiO2 and borax. Another one, basic flux. Basic flux nothing but calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, another one iron oxide, that is a hematite. These are the best example for basic flux added to the acidic impurities like SiO2 and form the slag. For example, extraction of iron. We are using Fe2O3, powder coke and calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate acts as a flux. Ratio 8:4:1. For example, here calcium carbonate acts as a basic flux. That is a basic flux react with the acidic impurities. And form the slag. What is the example for basic flux? That is a calcium carbonate react with the acidic impurity SiO2 to formation of calcium silicate plus carbon dioxide. Here, how many calcium? One calcium, one silicon, how many oxygen? 3 oxygen, 2 oxygen. Here, 3 plus 2, 5. Equations will be balanced. Or, calcium carbonate decompose will give calcium oxide plus CO2. Calcium oxide react with the SiO2 to formation of calcium silicate as a fusible impurities. This one best example for basic flux. Flux is there are two types, acidic flux and basic flux. Acidic flux best example SiO2 and borax. Basic flux is a best example calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate and hematite. Formula Fe2O3. Another topic, reduction. Reduction there are different type. If more reactive metals like alkali metal and alkaline earth metal and aluminium can be reduced only by the electrolytic methods. This is point number 1. Point number 2, if less reactive metals like copper, tin, lead can be reduced by using the chemical reducing agent. These are the two conditions. Reduction can be classified into 3 types. First one, chemical reduction. Another one, auto reduction. Auto reduction nothing but self reduction. Third one, electrolytic reduction method. These are 3 types. We have to explain one by one. First one, chemical method. In chemical reduction, some of the reagent used as a reducing agent, for example, carbon monoxide, hydrogen, aluminium and magnesium, these are act as a powerful strong reducing agent. First one, carbon. Carbon acts as a reducing agent for copper, zinc, tin, lead. For example, metallic oxide react with carbon in the presence of heat to formation of molten metal, that is a crude metal, plus carbon monoxide. For example, metallic oxide BbO react with carbon heated to formation of molten metal, that is a lead, and formation of carbon monoxide. Here carbon acts as a reducing agent. Another one, carbon monoxide act as reducing agent. Carbon monoxide acts as a reducing agent in the extraction of iron. In the extraction of iron, major ore, hematite ore, Fe2O3 or Fe3O4. React with the carbon monoxide, temperature, maintain the temperature 1123 Kelvin to formation of iron plus and carbon dioxide. Balance equation, how many iron? 3 iron. 3 iron. How many oxygen? 4. So we have to write the 4 times. Here 4 times. Now how many oxygen? 4 plus 4, 8. 4 into 2, 8. Here carbon monoxide acts as a powerful reducing agent. Another one, hydrogen acts as reducing agent. Hydrogen gas is difficult to use as a reducing agent because it is inflammable nature, but react with tungsten hexaoxide. For example, WO3 react with hydrogen and form W plus H2O. This is tungsten 6 oxide react with hydrogen to form the tungsten, symbol W. Balance equation, how many oxygen? Here 3 oxygen, so 3 times. How many hydrogen? 6 hydrogen, so 1 W, 1 W. Here in this reaction, hydrogen acts as a reducing agent. Another reducing agent, aluminium. Aluminium acts as a powerful reducing agent in chromic oxide. This process known as a aluminothermic process or Goldsmith process. Here aluminium react with Cr2O3. This can obtain from the chromite ore and form the Cr and Al2O3. These are the balance equation. How many chromium? 2 chromium. Here is a 2. How many aluminium? 2 aluminium. Yes, oxygen should be balanced. Here aluminium acts as a powerful reducing agent. Here aluminium valency 0. This aluminium valency plus 3. Oxidation number increases. This process of oxidation, this acts as a reducing agent. So aluminium acts as a powerful reducing agent. Another one, magnesium acts as reducing agent. In roll process. For example, titanium tetroxide react with magnesium heated in the presence of inert atmospheric argon to formation of titanium plus magnesium chloride. Here titanium valency 4, so TlCl4. Here magnesium valency 2, so MgCl2. This method used for purification of titanium. Balance equation: titanium, magnesium, common chlorine, 4 chlorine, here 2 times. Here 2 times. These are the balancing equation. Another one, auto reduction. Auto reduction, another name, self reduction. In certain case, no reducing agent require. Sulfides of less reactive metals like copper, tin and lead can be reduced without using the reducing agent. For example, ores react with oxygen heated to form oxides or sulfates. This oxide and sulfates react with the remaining part of ore. To formation of metal plus SO2. For examples, extraction of mercury from cinnabar. Formula mercury sulfide. Here mercuric sulfide react with oxygen to formation of mercuric oxide and SO2. This oxide or sulfate further react with the remaining parts of ore, that is mercuric sulfide, formation of mercury plus SO2. This one best example for auto reduction without using the reducing agent. For example, sulfides of copper, mercury, tin, lead can be reduced without using the reducing agent. There are 2 conditions. First, sulfide ore converted into oxide or sulfate. Oxide or sulfate react with the remaining part of ore, form the mercury. Balance equation. Mercury, how many oxygen? Here 2 oxygen, here 3 oxygen. So 2 times, here 2 times, here 2 times. How many oxygen? 6 oxygen, here 3 times. Here how many oxygen? 1 oxygen, here 2 oxygen, here 2 times. Only 1 sulfur. How many mercury? 3 mercury. This one best example for auto reduction. Next method, electrolytic reduction. Electrolytic reduction method involved, there are 2 conditions. Reduction takes place at a high temperature, reduction takes place at a low temperature. Point number 1. Reduction takes place at a high temperature in the absence of air is mainly used for alkali and alkaline earth metals. For examples, point number 1, reduction at a high temperature in the absence of water. This electrolysis takes place. Best example, extraction of potassium from fused KOH. That is KOH undergo electrolysis to formation of K plus and OH minus. K plus nothing but here cation. OH minus nothing but anion. During the electrolysis, cation move towards the cathode, anion move towards the anode. First one cation move towards at cathode. At cathode, what reaction takes place? Reduction reaction takes place. Gain of electron. That is K plus gain of 1 electron to formation of K. At anode. In anode, what reaction takes place? Oxidation reaction takes place. That is a loss of electron. Here, OH minus anion move towards the anode. Liberation of oxygen, water, and liberate electron. Here, how many oxygen? 3 oxygen. Most probably, odd number not to balance, even number 4. Here, how many hydrogen? 4 hydrogen is 2 times. Here 2 oxygen, here 2 oxygen. Here potassium can be obtained by the reduction of KCl by using the sodium vapor heated at 1125 Kelvin to formation of potassium plus sodium chloride. Reduction at a high temperature in the absence of air. It is mainly used for alkali metal and alkaline earth metal. Here alkali metal K potassium obtained from the fused KOH about 99.5% pure. This method known as reduction takes place at high temperature. Another one, reduction takes place at low temperature. Reduction takes place at a low temperature in the absence of air, is mainly used for leaching of silver and gold by the MacArthur Forrest cyanide process. This process known as hydrometallurgy. What is hydrometallurgy? Reduction takes place at a low temperature in the presence of water, is mainly used for leaching of silver and gold by MacArthur Forrest cyanide process. Is a reduction at a low temperature. This reaction is what reaction? Hydrometallurgy. In the hydrometallurgy, reduction takes place at a low temperature in the presence of water, leaching of silver, gold by MacArthur Forrest cyanide process. Electrolytic reduction method, that is the second method. Reduction takes place at a low temperature in the presence of water. It is mainly used for leaching of silver and gold by MacArthur Forrest cyanide process. This one best example for hydrometallurgy. There is a gold ore react with potassium cyanide about 0.5% in the presence of water and oxygen. and the formation of AuCN twice potassium plus KOH. These are the process. Here how many oxygen? 3 oxygen, most probably odd number not at balance, even number. There is a 4 times, 4 but here 5, this odd number not at balanced, another number 6. 6 potassium, common is Cn, 6 is Cn, here is 2 times, 4 not at balance, so 4 times. Now common is Cn, 8 Cn, that is 8 Cn. Common potassium, 8 potassium, 4 plus 4, 8. Common gold, 4. Common cyanide is 8 cyanide. Common oxygen, here common hydrogen, here 4 hydrogen. Here 2 times. Now common oxygen, here 2 oxygen, here 2 oxygen, 4 oxygen. This is a complex. Potassium, RO, cyanide. This complex further react with zinc, because of gold is a less electropositive metal easily displaced by the zinc dust, and formation of Au formed as a precipitate. This method known as hydrometallurgy. Balance the equation. Here common potassium, 2 potassium, 2 times. Common gold, 2 gold is another one. Common cyanide, 4 cyanide. 4 cyanide is a zinc. This obtain the metal, this undergo electrolytic purification. The electrolytic purification at anode, that is impure gold, at cathode pure gold, electrolyte, that is AuCl3 plus HCl as a percentage, 10 to 12%. And passing the current, anode impure gold dissolved into the electrolyte, pure gold get deposited at cathode. This method it is used to leaching of silver and gold by MacArthur Forrest cyanide process. This method known as hydrometallurgy. These are called electrolytic reduction. Let us recap the extraction of crude metal. There are 2 types. First one, concentrated ore converted into oxide. This is pi number 1. Pi number 2, smelting of oxide converted into crude metal. This name is called extraction of crude metal. Another one, reduction. There are different types of reduction: chemical reduction, auto reduction, electrolytic reduction. In the electrolytic reduction, there are 2 conditions. Reduction takes place at a high temperature in the absence of air, is mainly used for alkali and alkaline earth metal. Reduction at a low temperature in the presence of water is mainly used for leaching of silver and gold by MacArthur Forrest cyanide process. This method known as hydrometallurgy. You have to practice all the equation and concept, get highest mark. Good luck.